Some of the runways out there for LAX. We come on back, zoom out. We have a nice seating area right here. This is a different style Hyatt Place I'm used to. Modern in style, smaller, no couch with a bed. But we do have a king size bed in here, two bedside tables, small corridor. There is a mini bar here. That's unusual for the Hyatt places I've been to, but a change in the game. Do have a mini fridge there. Nice size TV. They usually don't do smart TV, it's just Google Cast that you can usually do. Here's our desk, the same style coffee maker. Got some water to pay for if you're not a part of the program. Looks like, I'm not sure what level it is free for, but it should be free maybe downstairs if you have status or whatnot. We come into our corridor with a wood style laminate. We have a sliding door to come into our bathroom. The bathroom looks pretty like the other Hyatt places, just a cleaner new version, but we have the same products. And there's that corner well that's usually at Hyatt Place. Good sized bathroom compared to the room. It's a, proportionate potentially, or less proportionate. But yeah, we have this small little corridor right here. And then when we come in, there's not too much space, but the trimmings in this room are quite nice, stylish. This is the room, folks. LAX Airport Hyatt Place.